Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to split screen on this laptop. In order to split the screen between different applications, you're gonna have to open at least two of them on your desktop and then grab the top bar of one of the applications and drag it to the top of the screen, and then select one of the available positions for the window. As you can see, you can place up to 4 different windows on your display at once, and once you select the position, select the other window to put it into a second position. Then you can change the size of each window by dragging the bar between them, and at this point you can already use both applications at the same time. So that's how you enable split screen feature on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.